children, welcome back again. Today we're going to be working on our 4's multiplication times tables. You ready to get started? Here we go. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 4 times 3, 12. 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 5, 20. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 7, 28. 4 times 8, which is my favorite one, 32. 4 times 9, 36. 4 times 10, 40. 4 times 11, 44. And 4 times 12 is 48. You did good, children. We'll see you next time on the 5's. Keep up the good work.